Former Chief Minister of Karnataka and senior BJP leader Basavaraj Bommai is with me. Sir, there has been a massive protest that we saw yesterday in Tamil Nadu. Today, outside the parliament also, all the Tamil Nadu MPs gathered and protested against Dharmendra Pradhan. They are saying that 3 languages is something that we will not impose in Tamil Nadu. How do you see?
One thing, it is very clear that this language issue is not new. In fact, DMK was born on language issue in 1960s. So whenever there are elections, they raise the bogey. They didn't raise the bogey all these days. Now elections are coming. So it's a political issue more than the real issue. Now people have settled and people have got a choice. In fact, new education policy is giving more importance to the regional languages. For example, in Karnataka, we adopted NEP. Therefore, we are conducting engineering degree examination in Kannada. Teaching is in Kannada, examination is in Kannada. So, it was not there earlier. So, engineering degrees will be given to the people who have studied in Kannada and given examination in Kannada. This is a good example. So, it is instead of misleading the people, they should take maximum advantage of all the facilities from Government of India and do good for the students of Tamil Nadu and not to raise this political bogey again and again, which people are fed up.
So the argument that they are giving is that will impact their culture, their identity.
Yeah, according to me, the Tamil culture is very strong. It is very strong and it is one of the oldest culture. One of the oldest culture. So nobody can spoil that culture. No force on earth can spoil that culture. Culture of Karnataka, culture of Tamil Nadu, culture of Andhra, Kerala, they have got their own culture. And it is so ancient and strong and the literature is so strong. Tamil literature is so strong. Karnataka literature is so strong. And it is rich also. So just to rake up all these issues of 1960s in 2024 doesn't make any sense.
So they are also saying that it is not, they are not against Hindi. So that was Basavaraj Bommai, Karnataka former Chief Minister speaking to NDTV.